Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm gonna be opening some animal card packs from Woolworths, which are also known as ancient animals. Here's the close-up of the pack. Yep, and we've opened some, and I'll show you what the cards look like. So in each pack, so in each pack there's one sticker, so it'll look like that. And this one is the Velociraptor. That's one. So in each card pack you get a sticker, and sometimes you could get doubles. So this one is one of the cards, which is the Syncodon, and that's the back of the card. This one is the Apatosaurus. This one is the Postosuchus, which is a meat-eating dinosaur, also known as a carnivore. So they ate other dinosaurs. This one is the Spinosaurus, which also ate other dinosaurs. The next one is the Gigantosaurus. He was also a meat eater. The Spinosaurus was a fish eater too. And the last one is a Protoceratops, which sounds like Triceratops, and is a herbivore, which is a leaf-eating dinosaur. And now I'm gonna open these two packs. Yes. Okay. So first, I got another Spinosaurus. This is a double. Okay, and I got a Leopoleuodon, which is an animal that lives in the water. And next coming up is the sticker, which is the Argentinosaurus. Sounds like it was the dinosaurs from Argentina. The next one is a Paracetarium. It looked like an elephant with no nose. And now to get to the last pack. Open this one easy. Okay, first I got the Saltosaurus. That's a bit of a funny name because I guess it ate salt. And next is the Notosaurus, which is the sticker. Next is the Quetzalcoatlus, which looks like a bird that looks cool because it has like colorful name. And the last one is the Confuciusornis. And that is a bird that lived long ago. And that was my ancient pack opening. It was very mystical. Bye bye, see you in another video. Please subscribe and like the video. And bye! Dun dun dun! Run away! Bye bye.